Designed for the Cochlear Nucleus 7 and Kanso 2 sound processors, the Nucleus Smart App is the first ever mobile application to control a cochlear implant sound processor directly from a compatible Apple or Android device. You can monitor the status of your equipment and battery life, and for added reassurance, the Find My Processor function can help you to locate a misplaced sound processor. To get started, download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. To use the Nucleus Smart App, log in with your Cochlear account if you've purchased a Cochlear product from the online store or have used a Cochlear online service in the past. You may already have a Cochlear account. If you do not already have a Cochlear account, tap Create New Account. Then follow the instructions in the Nucleus Smart App to set up your Cochlear account. To start using the Nucleus Smart App with your Nucleus 7 or Kanso 2 sound processor, you'll need to pair your sound processor to your compatible Apple or Android device. To pair your sound processor, follow the instructions in your sound processor's pairing guide or watch the How to Pair animation. Once you have paired your Nucleus 7 or Kanso 2 sound processor with your compatible Apple or Android device, follow the instructions with the Nucleus Smart App to set up your processor. When setup is complete, you will be ready to use the Nucleus Smart App with your Nucleus 7 or Kanso 2 sound processor.